Hello everyone, I'm Natasha and today we are going to study about the Kisan Rail scheme which was introduced by the Budget 2021. So first of all, why it was in news? It was in news because the Indian Railways has introduced the first Kisan Rail from Devlali in Maharashtra to Danapur in Bihar. Also, the center announced the plans of starting special parcel trains called the Kisan Rail in the Budget 2021. So let's begin. It was introduced in the Budget 2021 by our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, where she proposed setting up of Kisan Rail to build a national cold supply chain for various perishable goods such as meat, milk, and fish, etc. She also said that the Kisan Rail will be set up by the Indian Railways through the PPP mode, which is the public-private partnership mode. It is also important to know that Kisan Rails will be the first ever multi-commodity trains, which means that earlier also these trains were run, but those were for single commodities such as banana specials, etc. But this time it is being run for various commodities. These trains will also ensure that agricultural produce is reaching from one corner of the country to the other corner of the country within a specified period of time. So these trains comprise of various refrigerated coaches in express and in freight trains, for which Indian Railways has already taken some initiatives towards the development of a cold chain for the transportation of these goods, some of which are refrigerated parcel vans, where the capacity has been increased to 17 tons and a new design has been developed by the railways. Second will be the reefer, which means ventilated insulated rail containers, where the carrying capacity is 12 tons per containers, which means that if the train is having 10 coaches, then the total carrying capacity will be 120 tons. And also, Indian Railways has procured 98 such insulated containers for the transport of fruits and vegetables. And the third is cold storage facilities for perishables, where temperature controlled perishable cargo centers have been set up at select areas. So there is no problem for the storage of these goods. Also, the major objectives of the scheme is doubling of farmers' income by 2022. So these trains are a major step towards realizing the goal of doubling farmers' income by 2022, where these trains are expected to be a great help to the farmers as the freight of these trains will be charged as per the parcel tariff of the normal trains. So there is no major difference in the tariff rates. And second is aggressive marketing is being done by the local farmers, loaders, agricultural produce market committee, which is APMC, and various individuals, where any farmer or any other interested party can directly book their consignments in trains without any lower limit on the size of the consignment. It means that the consignment can be as small as 50 to 100 kgs and can be booked from any stopping station. So there is no bar on the volume or size of the consignment. Also, a very well established claim and compensation system in case of loss or damage is being set up. So, there is also a provision of grief redressal system. So, these are the major objectives of the scheme, which will be a great help to the farmers at the ground level. So, that's all for this video. Thank you.